Listen, you were made for this. It's not on you, it's in you. I believe in you.
You got AG with A1plus1 Academy. I'm so excited to bring you guys another dope video. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and share this with anybody who you know can use these gems. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your guy AG with A1. Now, if you guys have been to my channel, if you're new here, look, we teach you guys how to build business from the ground up, okay? We've helped over 40 companies launch to date, and some of our most successful clients are making upwards of $30,000 a month. So if that's you, if you're here, it's your first time, you're like, hey, I'm trying to start a business. I want to know, what do I need to do? Where do I go first, second, third? This is the channel for you, okay? So today, if you guys are some returning clients and guests of mine, right? I want you guys to understand that we're heading into the fourth quarter. We're at the end of the third quarter, okay? We're in August, the end of third quarter. This series is going to be titled Fourth Quarter, right? And remember, once you're in business, you have to learn to work in quarterly sprints. You have to learn to work every 3 months, okay? So January, February, March is one quarter. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, okay? That's how we work in quarterly sprints, okay? And then that gives you a whole year to plan out ahead. So as you go on in year 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and so on, you begin to calculate data from quarter one of, let's say we start last year, 2022, right? So quarter one of last year, you can look at your numbers, you can look at the data, you can see how many posts you did, how many social media engagements you had, all the followers that you were, that subscribed to your channels or to your products or services. And then you can look at them compared to 2023 year, okay? So this side of what we're gonna talk about is showing you guys how to plan for the next quarter, okay? So it's gonna be a quick video, not long at all. If you guys know me, you know I don't like to do these super long videos because I know everyone, we have an attention span issue, right? It is what it is. So let's talk about it. When you are planning your quarter one, right, you wanna start at the end of quarter number 4. Okay, so starting in December, last week though, usually the first week of December, because first or second week, because the third and fourth week is Christmas, right? And the New Year's, right? Heading into the New Year. So it's gonna be really tight and cramped. So we don't want you to do that. But the first week of December, the second week of December is ideal for that, okay? So now you start to plan by looking at, right, quarter number 1, what goals you wanna hit? What metrics do you want to take down, okay? How many sales you want to make? That's usually where we start. In business, everything is really about numbers. It's a numbers game. So you really do want to know your business in and out, okay? You want to really know, like, man, like how many clients did you service last year? Total, right? If you did 50, if you did 250, if you did 500, 1,000, where did that source of traffic come from, right? Did they come from Instagram? Did they come from LinkedIn? Did they come from your YouTube channel, right? Did they, right, LinkedIn, wherever the case may be, TikTok. So you have to understand where those things are coming from. That's why a lot of times they have marketing teams that will do these things and pre-plan for the next month, week, days ahead. And that's something that we want to encourage you. But if you're a solo entrepreneur, like many entrepreneurs are, then you're gonna have to actually sit down and do the work yourself. It's gonna be tough. Now, there are some apps, there's some resources that I'll have for you guys. There's I actually have some PDFs for you guys. Later on, you'll be able to look at the description and the bio, my description, right? And then you'll be able to grab the PDFs completely for free. I'm here to give out all the information. And if you wanna work together in the future, that's totally fine. Other than that, I'm not charging you guys. I know what it's like to not have capital. I know what it's like to work by yourself for years on end to finally make $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, right? And then you get your breakthrough, okay? And then you'll be able to build and scale your team from there, okay? So first thing you wanna do is look at quarter one, establish a goal, right? A yearly goal. You wanna establish a yearly goal, right? One thing that I teach is a little different. I teach you guys how to work in quarterly sprints, and we use a 12-week year method, okay? So instead of trying to make, let's say, $500,000 in a whole year, let's compress that time. So that means every task that we do, right, every day so basically like this, every day becomes a week, right? And every week becomes a whole month. And month becomes a quarter of the year. Okay. So if you think like that, it's going to give you a better sense of urgency. That way you can get shit done faster. Okay, excuse the French. Get things done faster. Okay, because you can make a short amount of money over a long period of time, or you can make a lot of money quickly. And there's so many people say, hey, you know, the faster you get it, the faster you spend. I believe, and I'm of the mindset, I want you to have the mindset to say, hey, the faster I get it, the more I can help my clients, the more I can reinvest into my business, the more I can build my team, the more I can pay my team better, right? Yes, that's the mindset we want you to have here at A1, okay? You don't have to go the old school route, right? It's kind of outdated, right? Now, there's nothing wrong with doing it that way, but if you can do it another way, right? Once we know better, then we do better, right? Once we know better, we do better. So, hey guys, now that you know that you can move faster in business, that's a totally fine thing. Okay? Don't be afraid. Don't let anyone else tell you that you can't do it. Trust me, I've done it, right? Multiple times where in the first month, I've made over $20,000 to $30,000 in literally 2 to 3 days. And so with that being said, I'm like, man, why would somebody have told me I could have did this a long time ago? It wasn't until my mentor said, hey, you know you can make this amount of money in these many days. So why are you not pushing your higher ticket prices? And that's exactly what I started doing. And boom, $20,000, $30,000 in 3 to 4 days. And I was like, damn, I didn't know I could do that. So I want you guys to know you can make a lot. Now, you may have even a greater niche. You may be able to make $100,000 a day, or $500,000 in a few days, or a week, whatever, a month, right? We here at A1plus1, we're a consulting firm. So, our numbers are depend on certain things, right? So we have our prices kind of set, and then we take on specific clients and things like that. So if you're a coach or a consultant or a startup, any sort, okay, and you're looking for clarity, looking for guidance, you're looking for where to go next, what to do, how to plan for the next quarter, go ahead, hit the link in the description, take a free consultation, right? Don't be afraid. Look, we're going to give you a free consultation. It's no pressure sell. We don't even do that here. We just tell you, hey, this is what it is. This is what you can do. And then this is how we can work together, right? We do want to work with people who are serious, right? So if you're not really serious, just click another link in the description and then grab some of our free tools, right? We have different PDFs that are free, teaching how to, schedule your calendar properly, right? That's another big thing, is sticking to a calendar. I'm going to show you my calendar, kind of what it looks like toward the end of this video, so you can see how our days go here at A1 and what we do, right? So today is Monday, we're doing content creation, and then we go from there, kind of break it down. We learn to repurpose our content to spread it to different platforms, and then we go some copywriting, administrative tasks, and things like that. So the more organized you are in your business, right, the better your business is going to be, right? The more consistent your business is going to be. Consistency leads to more money, okay? Consistency leads to more leads. More leads turn into to actual clients, right? And then that means more money, right? More capital for you and your business, right? For you to live the life that you want, that you said you wanted, right? So be consistent. Continue to plan ahead, right? And then learn to work quicker. Okay, it shouldn't take you a week to come up with a campaign. Literally, it shouldn't. It should literally take you about 4 maybe at the max 4 hours, right? You should be able to plan out what service or product are we marketing this week, this month? What's the budget? Where are our ideal clients at? What platforms are we going to market them to? And then list all the tools, the checkoff tools to what exactly you need to do, right? You need content, you need to shoot a video, you need thumbnails done for your Facebook, Instagram, whatever, YouTube channels. You're gonna need camera equipment, you're gonna need a booth time, right? You might have to set the podcast studio up. You have to, right? There's a lot of different things that you can do, but you have to start by planning ahead, okay? So remember, go into fourth quarter. We're toward the end of third quarter. We're in August. We got August 13th or 14th today, right? So start planning next week for the fourth quarter. Set your targets. This is how much we want to make for this quarter, right? From September, October, November. right? December, and then go from there, okay? So don't be afraid. Do what you need to do. Get your hands dirty. Go into the fourth quarter strong, okay? You got this. You got this, okay? Now, if you guys don't ever remember anything I say, remember this. Number one, I'm proud of you. Number two, you were made for this. Number three, it's not on you because it's in you, right? And number four, I believe in you. We'll see you guys soon. Click the link in the description to get some of our resources. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, right? And like this video and share it too, okay? I'm your guy AG with A1plus1 Academy, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.